Hello and welcome to Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new videos as soon as they hit the lot, just like this one here today. If you want to see any of the still pictures of the specific truck or anything else we have on our lot with a full description of every vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we have a brand new arrival, local trade, actually employee owned Dodge Dakota 4-door 2003 in very, very good condition. As you can see, the front bumper, there's no dents, there's no scratch, no rust. It seems to be in very good condition on the front, and same with that hood. Factory alloy wheels, as you can see there. They're 16-inch rims. It's got a Firestart tire on it, and I would say the tread depth has 50 to 60% tread depth, so plenty of tread depth left on this thing, as you can see. No rust down below. Just a very, very hard truck to find in this condition. Crew cab too to top it off. Even the bed, for not having a bed liner, it's in really good condition. Not beat up, not dented up. It's got some scratches, don't get me wrong, but usually they're all beat up. So the only mark I noticed is back here on the back tailgate. As far as that goes, this thing seems to be in very good condition. Trailer hitch down below. Yeah, these trucks are extremely hard to find, especially in the crew cab this year, with zero rust on it from what I can see. No dents on the passenger side either. If you're looking for a truck with a four-door truck, a smaller one, this is the one, man. This is extremely clean. It's extremely cheap too, and it was employee owned, so we know the history on this truck. It's got 180,000 miles on it, but it does not show it. Power mirrors, power locks, all the locks do work. I checked every door. I rolled down every window and up. They all work too, which is a really nice feature to have. The seat's not all tore up. Everything seems to be in good condition in here. It's actually a 6-passenger, so it can be flipped up, as you can see there. Same with the passenger. Seems to be in really good condition as far as the seat goes. The floorboard's not stained, tore up. It's just definitely a very well taken care of truck. Heat does blow hot. It's on right now. All the zones work, which is unusual for these older trucks. Sometimes they'll only work on high or only work on low. All the zones are working. I turned the AC on. The compressor did kick on, but there again, it's 45 degrees here today, so I can't tell you if there's antifreeze in it or coolant in it. But yeah, the compressor did kick on. It does have an aftermarket radio right here, as you can see there. It does have a CD player. It's a Pioneer. Cruise control on the steering wheel right there. The dash seems to be in good shape. Another problem with these Dakotas is the dashes will crack. This dash is not cracked, not ripped up, no nicks in it, no nothing. Just an overall really nice truck. On the back seat, you're going to notice it's just like the front. Extremely good condition. No stains on them seats, no nothing. Same with the floor, as you can see, just like the front. Guys, this truck looks like it has 70,000 miles on it, but it's got 180. I drove this thing down the road too, guys. It runs like a scalded dog. You'd think it had 30,000 miles on it going down the road. Again, it's an 03 Dodge Dakota 4-door. Nice factory rims on it. Tires are in good shape. No rust that I can see anywhere. No dents beside that back tailgate that I noticed. Overall, extremely good running truck, and it's in extremely good condition. Very hard truck to find. Guys, if you're looking for a very, very low payment, this payment would be, I bet you this payment's $100 to $150 a month. You can't beat that. So there again, if you're looking for a cheap truck, 4-door, make sure you visit us at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be sure you see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today, because trucks like this and vehicles like this in general just don't last long. So we try to get them up line as fast as we can so everybody has an opportunity to get a great deal on a great truck.